Why do you call when you're short on cash?
Reef, see Canada?
I just asked Amy, did she want to go? How long do I gotta be Canada? You said Canada 5 times.
Remember this was all closed off? They got hot dogs. What's the name of that? Is it open yet? Oh.
What do you say? Yeah.
Lynette?
Yeah.
And you have all 6 of you here?
Yeah.
Alrighty, you are headed inside this floor today to have your meal, and it's table number 21 is your table. Let's get a picture here and then head on inside.
Stay on the floor. This floor.
Just where you'll stay for your meal and your entertainment.
We're going to get an extra chair. It's our table, y'all. We making the plate.
He was crying because he was off work. This did not want to get a hold.
Man, that's nice.
Y'all crazy.
I thought we were on the top floor.
Starting to get nervous.
Yeah. Detroit Princess, y'all.
The water looks so pretty though.
Detroit Princess. Beautiful view, Fifth Third Bank.
I wonder if it moved when I'm standing up here, like,
I might jump. I might jump. You know, I like swimming. Sight. This has We taking off. Look at all the cops over there, y'all. I might need to hop on the little boat if we start sinking. I'm out of here.
Silly.
Reef over there chilling in the cut. Let me see where Jab at. Where Jab at? There go Toast with the hat. Look at Jab with the red. Jab! Yeah. Y'all see it, man. It's a nice sunny day out here, man. The boat flying. It's fun, man. It's a nice trip. Father's Day. Thanks, Mom, for Father's Day gift. Got the them sweet, the little jet skis. Y'all hear the horn? We out of here, y'all.
With Diana.
Look at my dog. Yeah. My dog hugged up.
Picture. She just told him, hey.
My dog hugged up. Look. T-Bird, Uncle T-Bird.
You said where's Grandma at? Downstairs. Why? Oh, she right here. Jace want to talk to you.
What up, Jay? We gonna have to bring y'all next time. Huh? It's fun. We gonna bring y'all next time. You see all the water, the carnival.
Could you clarify what you mean by
Yeah, we can see you.
Oh, that's Canada over there, y'all. See the Canada flag right there?
The bridge.
Right here.
Ferris wheel, carnival.
You are dropping hints, but I need a bit more to go on. Want to give me another clue, or explain your idea?
Hour and a half.
We own the boat.
We on the boat. It's moving. The Marriott and the carnival over there. Do a zoom in. Sweet. We're going that way. Just walking the river.